tell you a story about one of us. Come on, we must be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Come on, let's go, kids. Talk about us. The bear stories are always so interesting like us.
Where is he? I bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming.
Quit that junk.
Well, today the great book of nature is open at another chapter. I'm gonna tell you a story about a wildcat. Where is he? I can smell him. Where the devil did he go? Ah, there you go. He won't get away from me.
I'll polish you off in one go. What? Oh, no. Oh, look there. A pheasant.
What's the matter with you? You let that pheasant get away from me!
What do you mean? It's all your fault. You should have left it to me.
You've gotta be kidding!
Hey, yeah! Come on. Calm down now, will ya? Now, listen. What do you say we form an alliance? Huh?
What do you mean?
What good would that do? Ah, come on.
What in tarnation are you talking about?
Just listen to me. If the three of us join forces, we'll have 6 eyes instead of just 2, right? It'll be a lot easier for us to find food if we got 6 eyes. And with 6 paws, we'll be able to capture everything our eyes catch sight of. If we all work together, we'll never go hungry again, instead of what's happening to us right now. our 6 eyes watching every move, what prey could possibly elude us? And think about this. With all those boys at our disposal, what creature could escape our grasp? 6 paws.
Wow! Look at the little birdie.
Guess you're right.
Yes, that's gonna be the leader. Yeah.
Who do you think? I don't think there's any question, but if you ask me, our leader should be. Oh, my friends, I can't help but think about what happened to me today. Something that wouldn't have happened if we were working together. I went after a tasty duckling that was passing by, but it escaped the grab. All I got was a cold dunk in the river, and this wretched cold as well. And that's why I think our leader should be the wolf, and Lynx should be second in command. And to make sure everything runs smoothly, I'll be the power behind the throne.
That's a brilliant idea, my foxy little friend.
It'd be hard to find a fox more crafty than you.
Now, we should swear an oath.
As your leader, I'd like to say we shall remain united as brothers. We shall share everything equally. To seal this bond of unity, I swear on my very own head. I swear.
I swear with you.
And I swear too.
Hey, come on, you guys. Hey, look at that, huh? Oh, now that looks
If
interesting.
I'm not mistaken, that's Mr. Bear's house. Let's go. Have you ever seen such a beautiful fish? You, go check out the house.
And don't make any noise.
Why me?
Because I said so.
Oh, okay. The bear must be home.
Ah, he's such a coward.
I guess you'd better go.
Me?
Don't tell me you're a coward too. Go on, go.
Anybody home? Come on, the coast is clear.
Are you sure there's nobody home?
Keep quiet, get moving.
Climb up. Go on.
I can't reach it. come, you wimps. There's nobody here. This time, since I'm clearly the strongest, I'll be on the bottom.
Don't move, I'm gonna jump.
All right, but hurry up. I can't hold out much longer.
Got it!
Hey, hanging on this stick.
Come here, you poor little thing. What happened?
I fell down having my nest. It's over there. It's over there. Are you all right?
Oh, thank you, Mr. Bear. But you better hurry home. Some thieves are stealing your fish.
What? Oh, no.
We're gonna have one delicious feast tonight, my friends. I'll take care of everything. All I need is a poisonous mushroom for the drinking water, and the banquet will be complete. You know, since you two have done most of the work, I think you should have the biggest portions of the fish. I don't really eat that much myself.
Really? Well, okay.
Oh? Lousy thieves, if I get a hold of them. Where'd they
I
go?
saw them, Mr. Bear. It was a fox, a wolf, and a lynx. They went that way.
I'll show them.
Come on, move it.
There's only enough here for one. Me.
What's that?
I was only saying that since you're the strongest, you should have the biggest share.
I got a feeling these two are trying to put something over on me. But they don't know who they're dealing with. Why don't you two take a break? I think we can all do with the rest. Then we'll divide up the fish in equal portions and eat to our heart's content.
Boy, sure is hot.
Yeah. I'll go get some fresh water. What do you say?
That's not a bad idea, but make it snappy.
Yeah.
Here, take the stick. I don't see why we have to share it with him. There's hardly enough here for the two of us, if you catch my drift.
Yeah. I'll go get into position and take him by surprise.
Hold it. I got an idea. We'll have this fish all to ourselves. Just act normal. Make sure he doesn't think there's anything out of the ordinary. I'll stay here and guard the fish. I'll pretend I was just so tired that day I couldn't stay awake.
Then I'll make sure you sleep for real. Both you and the fox.
I can't afford to lose any more hair over our pact of unity. If those two think they can pull the wool over my eyes, they've got another thing coming. They don't know who they're dealing with. Nobody's gonna have that fish but me. Now, where did that fox get to? Look at that! Poisoning the water! He's crafty, all right, but not sly enough to fool me.
That should do it.
I'll just sit here. We'll see who's smarter. They think they're going to surprise me. They got another thing coming.
I'm back with the water. This is the best water you ever tasted.
Oh, there you are. I was getting worried about you.
Well, there you go.
Well,
Come on.
Hey,
Leader
where
first.
are you? Where did you guys go? Yoo-hoo! Well, they were here just a second ago. Strange. Oh, I was looking all over for you.
you must be thirsty.
Oh, no. After you. You are our great leader.
Sure. You have the first sip. You're our leader. And then Link's because he's second in command. I'll just have what's left over. Go ahead, drink to your heart's content.
Sorry.
Well done. That was a good shot. You deserve the first drink. Here, take it. Enjoy.
Thanks.
Thought you could surprise me, huh?
My stomach.
The fish.
Get your hands off that fish! Leave it where it is! Don't touch that! I'm gonna chop you into pieces! You mangy weasel! I got you now! Don't get away from me this time!
You got it all wrong. I swear. It wasn't me.
Now it's my turn!
Oh, Mr. Bear, thank you. Just think, in one fell swoop, our forest has been freed of predators.
The Wildcat. How is the wildcat classified in the animal kingdom? The wildcat is a mammal belonging to the order Carnivora and to the Felidae family. It has pointed ears and a thick brownish-grey coat with darker stripes. How many species are there, and where do they live? Wildcats all belong to the FELIDAE sylvestre species. Together with numerous different subspecies, they're to be found throughout Asia, Africa, and Europe. How do they live? They're very solitary animals and seek company only during the mating season and when they take care of their young. How does it move? Wildcats are extremely agile and are especially good at climbing trees. What do they eat? Mainly rodents and small birds, though if they find themselves near lakes or streams, they hunt and catch fish and water birds with tremendous skill. How do they protect themselves? Adult wildcats have practically no natural enemies. However, their young are often attacked by raptors and other animals of prey. They are able to defend themselves only by hiding in the vegetation, where they're camouflaged by their stripy coats. How do they relate to people? Very badly. Man has always regarded the wildcat as an animal to be hunted down and killed. Can they live in the city? No, never.
Well, have you all learned the lesson? The moral of the story is be honest at all times, because dishonesty never pays. Oh, look who's coming!